In this video, we're gonna see how to clone any website. You just paste the URL and we can able to clone that website using that URL only. Here you can see we have successfully cloned the udemy.com. You can see that the UI is very similar to the original udemy.com. So when we click on that any course, you can see that the course page is also very similar to the udemy.com. You can see that we have the course structure and we also have the add to cart, buy now. To clone the website, we're gonna use three AI tools in this video: bold.new, v0.dev, lovable.dev. We're gonna use these three AI tools and we're gonna compare the results generated from these three AI tools. Let's get started. As usual, we're gonna clone the udemy.com. You can see that you can go to the udemy.com. This is the udemy.com dashboard. So we're gonna clone this website using the bold.new, lovable.dev and the v0.dev. There are many AI tools available out there, but these are the top AI tools. Using that you can clone any website. I will provide the link of these AI tools in the description. You can check that out. So first let's create the account on the bold.new. So let me click on sign up. I'm gonna continue with GitHub. So let's click on authorize stack builds. So now I have created my account on the bold.new. Let's create the account on the lovable.dev. Let's go to the website now. Here also we need to create our account. Just click on sign up. So we're gonna continue with GitHub. Let's also authorize the lovable.dev. So authorize GPT engineer app. So now we have successfully created our account on the lovable.dev. Let's go to the v0.dev. Let's click on sign up now to create our account on the v0.dev. Now we have created our account on all the three AI tools. So let's click on this submit now. So the prompt one that we're gonna use is just simple. Can you clone udemy.com? And we're gonna give the conditions. Add a course page when I click on the course, and add the header and footer to all the pages, and add placeholder images that are real images. So this is the prompt that we're gonna give to all the three AI tools, and we're gonna compare the performance of the AI tools. So let's get started. First, let's go to the bold.new now. So let me copy and paste that prompt now. So I have copy and pasted prompt now. Can you clone udemy.com? And these are the three conditions. Add header and footer to all the pages, and add a placeholder images that are the real images. So just click on the enter now. Let's go to the lovable.dev and let's also paste the prompt now, and let's click on enter now. And finally, let's go to the v0.dev and let's enter, paste the prompt, and let's also enter now. You consider now all the three AI tools are generating the code for us. If you go to the lovable.dev, it is spinning up the preview. You can see that it starts generating the code for us. You can see that it starts building the React application for us. If you go to the bold.new, this also starts generating the code for us. Normally, I like the UI of this bold.new. You can see that we have the files on the left hand side of this. Similar approach on the lovable.dev, but the UI is not that great. Just wait for the AI tools to finish generating the code, then only we can able to compare the UI of that website. You can see that the v0.dev UI is also very similar to the bold.new. It is also almost finished the code now. If we go to the bold.new, now the bold.new has first completed the code for us. If you click on the preview now, so let me open the preview in the new tab. You can see that this is a website generated by the bold.new. So let me expand this to the right. You can see that this is the website generated by the bold.new. If you click on any course, you can see that the course page is similar to the udemy.com. So if you click on profile, so the profile is not working. So let me go to the home page. So this is the home page. We have the three courses and it attach the real images for us. If you click on the course, it open up the course page. You can see that we have the header, add to cart, buy now, and we also have the course content. You can see that we have your sample course content also. So let me go to the home page now. So this is the website generated by the bold.new. I really like the website generated by this bold.new. It is similar to the udemy.com. For the demo only, it generates the three course for us. So if you click on any course, I like the course structure generated by this bold.new. So let's see if bold.new had any functionality. If I click on add to cart, so the add to cart is not working and the buy now is also not working. But the UI is very similar to the udemy.com. So let's go to the lovable.dev. So now the website has been generated by the lovable.dev also. So let me open this website in the new tab. So this is the website generated by the lovable.dev. It has added the real images also, but the UI is not similar to the udemy.com. You can see that we don't have the color similar to the Udemy. So let's see, if you click on any course, you can see that the course page is similar to udemy.com, but it lacks any details. You don't have the course structure. You don't provide any more details. You just provide the header, footer. That's it. If I want to rank the two AI tools, I will prefer the bold.new. The lovable.dev is not that great. So let's go to the third AI tool now, that is the v0.dev. So let's open the v0.dev website now. You can see that it also finished the website for us. So let me open this in the new tab. So let me open this in the full screen now. So this is the website generated by the v0.dev. You can see that the website is very similar to the udemy.com. It also has a banner that says courses start at $13 and learn when and where it shows you. So this is the banner that you can see on the Udemy website likely. You can see that we have the interface very similar to the udemy.com. If you go to the udemy.com, you can see that at the top of the section, you can see that this is what we have at the v0.dev also. The now bar and the banner is also similar to the udemy.com, but it just screenshots and paste that images here. You can see that this is the screenshot of the live website. You can see this is just take a snapshot of that udemy.com and place it there. If you go to the v0.com and below that we have the courses, but it doesn't add any images. You can see that we don't have any images. Let's see if the course space is also good to the udemy.com. So let's open the course now. You can see that the course page is also similar to the udemy.com, but it doesn't have the course structure. Just similar to the bold.new, you can see that in the bold.new, we have the course content, that is the course structure and the requirements. This is very similar to the, so if you go to the udemy.com, we have the course structure and the requirements. So if you go down, you can see that we have the course structure. So this is the content. So this is what we have in the bold.new as well. But the course structure is lack in the two other AI tools, that is the lovable.dev and the v0.dev. So if you want to rank the three AI tools, I will prefer the bold.new, then the v0.dev, and finally I will rank the Udemy lovable.dev. So if you go to the v0.dev, you can see that other than the course structure and the requirements, the website is very similar to the udemy.com. Let's click on back now. You can see that it also has a footer similar to the udemy.com. Here also the functionality is not working. If you click on add to cart, that functionality is not working. If you click on any play icon, that also not working. Login also not working. Sign up also not working, because we haven't told that to do so, right? We just give you a prompt like can you clone a udemy.com. So that's why the functionality is not working. Have the functionality, you can do the prompt here also. You can ask, can you add the add to cart, or can you add the login and sign up. The AI tools will do the job for you. Not only you can clone udemy.com, you can clone any websites that has the URL. For example, let's try to clone the Spotify and the bold.new now. So I'm gonna give you a prompt like can you clone Spotify website. So this is the prompt. Let's see how the bold.new gave us the output now. Not only you can clone the website, we can also deploy the website generated by these AI tools. At the top right hand side, you can see an option called the deploy. So we're gonna wait for the bold.new to finish Spotify, then only we can able to deploy. So we're gonna deploy on the other two AI tools. So let me go to the lovable.dev now. You can see that we have an option called the publish. Just click on that and you can see that the visibility is public. So I will leave that as default. So just click on deploy. If you want to add your custom domain, you can click on custom domains to add your domain, but I will also leave that as default and click on deploy. You can see that within the lovable.dev also you can able to deploy the website. You don't have to go to the Netlify or Vessel. You can deploy the website within this A tool. So if we click on deploy on the v0.dev, so we have to create the project, right? So we're gonna create a project now. So click on new project and we're gonna give you a name for our project like Udemy clone tutorial. So that's it. Just click on create now. Again, if you click on deploy now, you can see that confirm and deploy. Click on that. You can see that now initiating our deployment. So if you go to the lovable.dev, you can see that now our site has been published successfully. You can see that we have the URL also. So let me open this URL in the new tab now. Just click on this icon now. Consider this is the URL that we got by for our website generated by the lovable.a. Consider this is the URL. So I will provide all the URLs that we gonna deploy in this video in the description. You can check the URLs and give your ratings in the comment section now. So this is the website generated by the lovable.a. Let's go to the v0.dev now. You consider still it is deploying. If you want to set a custom domain, you can do that also. Now the bold.new has successfully generated the Spotify website for us. So I'm going to open this in the full screen to see how the bold.new generated the Spotify for us. So let me open this in the new screen. You can see that the Spotify website is almost similar to this original Spotify.com. You can see that it has the images, it has the footer similar to the Spotify.com. So we also have the music player similar to the Spotify.com. Imagine we just see using the one clone and it successfully cloned the entire website. It includes the images, it includes the music player also, it has the volume up and down icon also. This is how you clone a website using the URL only using these three AI tools, that is the bold.new, v0.a, only lovable.a. Now let us see how we can able to deploy this website on the bold.new. For this, let me minimize this. So we have an option called deploy. Click on that. You can see that it will deploy to the Netlify now. If you go to the v0.dev, still it is now we got our website on the v0.dev successfully deployed. You can see that we have a URL generator. Just click on visit site. So this is the URL that we got for the website generated from the v0.dev. So you consider this is the website. It almost similar to the udemy.com, but I will prefer the website generated by the bold.new. So you can see that bold.new also generated the website for us. Just click on this URL now. So I'm gonna open this in the new tab. You can see that this is the Spotify website and we also have a URL for that. The Spotify website is almost similar to the Spotify.com. So this is how you not only you can clone the website, you can also deploy that website also. So this is for this video and I will continue in the next one. So before that I will provide all the website links in the description. You can check that out. So make sure you check that websites and give your ratings in the comment section. So let's see if this website is responsive or not. So if you click on if you select the right click and click on inspect, we have an option called the mobile icon. Click on that, you can see that the cloned website is also responsive. It is responsive to the mobile view also. Consider this is the mobile view of the Spotify cloned website. So using this AI tools, not only you can clone the website, you can also deploy it from the AI tool also. You don't have to go to the netlify.com on the netlify.com or the vessel.com. You can deploy the website within the AI tool. So this is the power of the AI tools. So I will provide all of the AI tools links in the description. You can check that out. So if you want to see more video like this, please subscribe to this channel so that you can view more videos like this. So this is for this video and I will continue in the next one.